In this video, I'll show you how to play Baby Talk by Johnny Thunders and the Heartbreakers off the L.A.M.F record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And leave a comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, and what you want to see next time. And here we go. All right, so the song starts off with the really recognizable beginning riff, which is comprised of 2-note power chords, starting at a G. And it goes like this. So slowly. And you'll notice on the second time you play the G in that progression, there's kind of a muted in between. So again. Then it goes on to the chorus, or it's actually the in-between part in the verse, and that's just a held G. And they basically play between the two guitars. They play like a full bar chord. Maybe the bottom 5 strings and omitting that high E string, but it basically just goes like this. And then at the end of that, there's going to be one of the guitars, I believe it's Johnny Thunders, is playing the higher notes of that bar chord. It's kind of like this. So again, it sounds like this. You can kind of hear that at the end. Then it goes back into the... And then we go into the chorus, which is going to have this kind of like rock and roll type rhythm. And it's basically a 2-note power chord played with your index finger on the root on the 8th fret of the low E string. And then you're going to use your pinky to hit the 12th fret on the A string. And while also holding that root note on the 8th fret. And we're going to slide down and do the same thing again at that G on the 3rd fret. And then we're going to end here. So again, all the way through. And you're going to do like kind of that typical Johnny Thunders like slide off that last chord. Then after we do the verse and chorus a couple times, it's going to go to the solo, and it starts off playing, it's in G, and it starts off playing over this part 4 times. And so Johnny Thunders is going to do this bend. He's going to bridge his index finger over the 3rd fret of the B and E strings and kind of do this tremolo picking. And then there's going to be a bend at the 5th fret of the G string. So, and it's going to be the same thing 4 times. But then after you do that part 4 times, the key of the solo is going to change. It's going to go to a C, and it's going to basically mimic that C chord you're playing in the chorus, because behind the solo there's going to be playing that chorus part. So you're going to play rooted at the 8th fret. So you're going to play this part. You're going to play 3 times. So you're going to start off with that 2-note, and then 2 bends, then to the 10th fret of the D string, and then 2-note. 10th fret of the D string, 2-note. Again, slowly. And then you're going to alternate different, similar parts, but different parts in between those. So then after you play that part the first time, you're going to slide up to the 15th fret and do some tremolo picking. So it's going to go. And then it's going to end with a, so. So the first part through. So the second time you're going to do this part again. Slide up to the 15th fret and do the tremolo picking. And then you're going to end with so. And then the last time through, you're going to do the same part. And then you're going to slide from the 3rd fret of the B string to the 10th fret. And it doesn't have to be exact. Johnny's pretty loose on it. But it basically, this is kind of a standard thing he does. And then it goes back into this part. So that solo all the way through goes like this. So then after the solo, it goes back into the original riff. Does that 4 times, and then when it comes to the part where you hold the G, it does like an extended version of that, so it's just... And then it goes back into the original riff. And it just ends short there. So that's it for this one. I hope you liked this lesson. Remember to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week. And leave a comment what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see next time. And I will see you guys next time.